Hello everyone, hope you are doing well today, and in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to get a chart for your project. Charts like this is a bar chart, or if you want a pie chart, let's refresh. As you can see, this is a pie chart, and if you want something like a donut, let's refresh, and this is a donut. So let's get started. As you can see, this is my Django project. I've started already and I've done okay, let me run you guys through. This is my Django project. I have my CRM already as my project. I have my app named app. I have my templates, add, base, edit, home, navbar. I have this already set up, so let me just show you how it looks like in the front end. So this is my front end. As you can see, I have my navbar, my home, my ad, my drop down, my name, annual income, description, and dates. I got this from Bootstrap. This is all from Bootstrap. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to go to Chart.js. So this Chart.js, just type Chart.js.com. You've definitely see it. So let's go to get started. And get started, this is just Chart.js documentation. You can read through it. There is so much more you can learn from this. You can try it out on your spare time. You try doing some other things and see how it goes. So this Chart.js, all we need to do here is copy this. This is all we need. You need to copy this and paste it in your project. So we'll copy this, we'll come and paste it in our project, and I'll paste that in my home HTML just below here, and that's it. So yes, so it's working, but it's too big. This is not just what I want, so let's try and reduce the size. This is too big. So let's come here and give this a container class, and let's add a style. So the width, let's use let's say 300 pixel. Has to be 300 pixel. So let's see how this looks. Sure, it's too small. Let's try maybe 600. Let's try 600 pixel. Okay, I think this is better. This is better now. But I don't like the colors. It's all blue. Let me change the color. I think I need to pause this video a little bit and change the colors. So I've changed the colors already. So let's refresh. Yeah, this is what I want. At least this is more better. So let's get started. Let's go to my backend and start working. So let's go to my views. This is my view. I already have my view. I've done this already. I've done all this already. So first of all, we need to, because I'll be getting the information I need for my model. So as you can see, my product has name and price, and that is all I'll be working with, the names and the price. So let's go to my view. Let's give this a variable name, product underscore names. Let's add this in a list and do products name. So for products in products, for products in products. Okay, so next up, the price. So let's name this prices, variable name prices. Add this in a list. So products dot price. So for products and products. But as you can see, if you come to my models, you will see that my price is a decimal field. My price is a decimal field, so we need to convert decimal field to float before we can make use of this. So let's do that right away. So floats, and yes, this is all we need. So now we need to get these variable names in my context dictionary, but before that we need to import JSON. Okay, so now let's come down to my context dictionary. Products, product names. So we need to do JSON dot dumps. So what are we dumping? Product names. We need to do the same thing for the price. So JSON dumps, what are we dumping? Product price. So now we have this already, but we still need to try to display them here. But first, let me add some items to this my table. Okay, let me start by writing Coca-Cola. Let me give it a price of 2000. Then description should be nice. We could add that. Okay, let's add one more or two more. Let's add Fanta. So let's give it a price of this. Let's say okay, this is good. Let's add one more. Let's add Sprite. Let's add Sprite. Let's give it price of okay. Let's make this 1000. Let's make this nice. Description nice. So we have this information on our table. So I want to be able to display this in my chart. So I want to add the names on the vertical row, that's the x-axis, and add the annual income in the y-axis, that's horizontal axis. So I want to display this here. So how can we do that? First of all, we already have this here, so let's go to our chart. Here, as you can see, this is my label, the red, the blue, the yellow, and this is the data, the 12, 19. That's exactly what we have here, the red, blue, yellow, green, and that's the same thing we have here. So we need to display my own data here. So how can we do that? Now we need to make use of the serialized data. We need to make use of the serialized JSON data that we got in our views. Those are this. We serialize this JSON data, the name and the price. So we need to make use of the serialized data. So here, const products names. Sorry, names equals to this will be a dictionary. So we're going to make use of the name that we called it in our view. So products underscore names, and we're going to do the same thing for the price. So the const the products price. So dictionary. So products. But first, I think we need to make this to be safe, so we ain't gonna land ourselves into trouble. Okay, I think that's good. So we need to get these names here. We need to change this label to our own label. That's the Coca-Cola, the Fanta, and the Sprites. We need to get rid of this and get our own. product. So our name is product names, and our data is product price. So yeah, product name and product price. So let's go to the front end and check if it's working. So let's refresh. Yeah, voila, as you can see, it's working perfectly. Now we have our Coca-Cola, the Fanta, and the Sprite, and the x-axis. And as you can see, the annual incomes, that's the Coca-Cola is 2,000. As you can see, it's 2,000. The Fanta is 2,500. The Fanta is 2,500, and the Sprite is kind of the lowest, and it is 1,000. So let's try doing. Let's edit this. Maybe later the annual income for Sprite increased. I don't know. Let's make it to be maybe 2.5. Okay, let's. Yeah, as you can see, it's working. Maybe Sprite later increased, or let's say Fanta maybe went down later to just 2,000. So as you can see, it's working. Even though you want to add new figures, or let's say maybe some products were added later. Let's try Hennessy. Maybe price of Hennessy was 5,000, and it's a good drink. Yeah, as you can see, Hennessy is added. Wow, Hennessy is high. It's crazy. Let's add one more, tequila. Let's try tequila. Okay, tequila is nice. Okay, so it's working. But maybe you don't just want a bar chart, you want maybe a pie chart or a donut. So let's do that too. Let's come here. As you can see, the name here, type bar. You can just easily change this to pie and refresh. As you can see, now you have a pie chart. And maybe you want to change the name later to anything. Maybe let's try donut this time. Now you come here, then you refresh. Now is a donut. So that's all for this video. Now you know how to like convert your tables to charts. Maybe you have a presentation that you're doing and you need a chart representation, a bar chart, a pie chart for your table, and you want to present it for your project or anything. You can basically do this. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.